Rahmanir Rahim. Assalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidina Muhammadin sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Amma ba'd. Respected sisters and all my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Anna Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam qala, La tabaghadu wa la tahasadu wa la tadabaru wa kunu ibadillahi ikhwana wa la yuhillu li muslimin aw yahjura akhahu fawqa thalath layalin. This hadith from Sahihul Muslim highlights the important ethical principles for Muslims to follow in their social interactions and relationships. La tabaghlu, do not hate one another. This part of hadith advises against harboring feelings of hatred or enmity. Hatred among Muslims is discouraged as it creates division and harms relationships. Wala tahasadu, do not envy one another. Envy or jealousy is harmful because it leads to resentment and unhealthy competition. This part encourages Muslims to be content with what they have and not to compare themselves unfavorably to others, which can harm relationships and one's inner peace. Wala tahasadu, do not turn your back on one another. This refers to avoiding the act of shunning or ignoring someone, particularly when there is a conflict. Turning your back on others can lead to further alienation and is discouraged in Islam. Reconciliation and maintaining ties is the preferred course. Wakunu ibadillahi ikhwana, be servants of Allah and brothers to one another. This teaches that Muslims should view each other as brothers and sisters in faith. The concept of brotherhood is central in Islam and implies mutual support, respect, and care for each other. All Muslims are equal before Allah and thus should treat one another with kindness and respect. وَلَا يُحِلُّ لِمُسْلِمٍ أَوْ يَهْجُرَ أَخَاهُ فَوْقَ ثَلَاثِ لَيَالٍ. It's not lawful for a Muslim to abandon his brother for more than 3 days. This teaches that while temporary disputes are natural, Muslims should not cut off ties for an extended period that is beyond 3 days. After 3 days, Muslims should strive to make peace, as prolonged estrangement can harm both individuals and the community. If we think about the overall meaning of its content, the hadith encourages unity, love, and mutual support among Muslims. It emphasizes the strong and brotherly relationships within the Muslim community. The recommendation not to abandon someone for more than 3 days highlights the importance of forgiveness and reconciliation. The hadith reflects the high ethical standards of Muslims regarding interpersonal conduct and promoting peace and harmony among individuals. I think it's a time to conclude my words. Jazakallah. May Allah gather us in Jannah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.